All right, hello from Indy. I've already mentioned what I'm going to talk about here today in another video, but I really wanted to do this on its own video just to reach out to as many people as possible on that. And the issue was, I rebuilt the engine and transmission on this car over the winter, and the fuel pump, everything's new. The whole fuel system's new. And I started the car up, and initially I had just a smidge under 7 psi on fuel pressure, so everything seemed well. And eventually the fuel pressure went down to just under 3, and it wouldn't come back up. And so I thought I had a bad fuel pump, and got to doing just searching on different forums and things, and I ran across a guy that was having the exact same problems. Everything started out fine, and the pressure went down and stayed down. And several guys recommended that he take the fluid out of the gauge. And one guy mentioned that just right off the bat. Said, "Don't worry about your fuel pump, just take the fluid out." And a few other guys would second that. And so I'd never heard of such a thing. So anyway, there's a little cap here. So I unscrewed the gauge, took it off. You just take that little rubber plug out. It's Pete, you can just do it with your fingernail. And poured all the fluid out of that gauge and reinstalled it. And I've not had any problems since. So I don't understand why. I just don't know what the difference is, why that would make such a difference. But it worked for me. I haven't had any issues since then. So I just want to do this video for some of you. It horrifies me to think how many people out there went out and bought a new fuel pump and just went nuts troubleshooting to find out really nothing was wrong. They just needed to drain the fluid out of this pressure gauge. So hopefully this will help somebody out there. Okay, later.